How to share Google Maps location on WhatsApp. So first, what you want to do on Google Maps application, you want to choose the place that you want to share on WhatsApp. You can choose either the place like this, Outman's Bar in Bali, or just a random street. Anything you can go. After you choose, on this direction, save and add label, you want to slide to the right until you find this share button and click on it, and then tap on copy link. And then after this, you want to go to your WhatsApp. Like here in WhatsApp, on your message, you can just paste it and send them the link. Or if you want to share your location from WhatsApp, you can just tap on this plus button on top of your keyboard and then choose this location. And you can choose whether you want to share your live location right here or just send your current location. And if you choose share live location, you can choose the duration of the live location and then send them. That's it for me. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.